good, y'all? Back with another video today. Here we have a orchestral bouncy beat, something similar to Mike Dimes and Drew Kennedy's new song Kiss and Tell. I've listened to him a lot lately, so I wanted to make something similar to that. But yeah, let's get it. So this is the melody that I came up with. Pretty simple, and then the drums are a little bit more complex, but we'll break this down first. So this is what this sounds like. So yeah, pretty simple melody. We'll break down these sounds here. So first started with these hard trumpets preset in Expand. And this is just a 1-5-6 progression. So yeah, pattern sounds like this. So yeah, very simple pattern, just 1-5-6, some shorter notes, just add some bounce, some space, and then just shifted this second chord ahead just to give it some variation so it's not playing on the 1, and that's what's going to give it a little bit more bounce. For effects on this, just have an EQ, taking out and boosting some of the frequencies, and a little bit of stock reverb. So yeah, those are the horns. And then for the flute in the intro, again, very simple pattern, some sustain notes, and then just a little going down the scale at the end for some variation. But this is from Expand. As again, this is the ocarina preset, and then for effects on that, some RC20, a little bit of wobble, some air distortion, a little bit of EQ at the bottom, and some reverb with short decay, and then a little bit of EQ, just taking down some of the harsher frequencies, and pancake, so it's just panning from left to right. But this pattern sounds like this. Yeah, very simple. 1, 5, and then this would be the 3, but just brought it down an octave, and then yeah, going down the scale at the end. So those are just playing in the intro. And then for this section at the end here, did a little breakdown. So this is a piano, flute, and bells. Sounds like this. So yeah, it's a nice switch up from the horns. Just kind of brings the listener's attention back in after the horns and flute play. But this is the pattern for the piano. And yeah, same chords, and then just like a simple arpeggio going up and down at the start, and then the pattern is literally the exact same as the horns apart from this first section. But this sounds like this. So yeah, literally the same pattern, just with that arpeggiation at the front, and then just the EQ, low cut, and then taking out some frequencies around 2K. And then for the bells, just the same chord pattern, same arpeggio as the piano, just for a little bit of a different sound. Yeah, just some nice texture. And for effects on this, just have a little delay, ping pong, 2-second delay, and then some reverb, both stock FL plugins. And this pattern sounds like this. And then just copied over. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the melody. And then just exported it and pitched it up 1 semitone. So that in the intro, just have the horns playing down an octave with the flute, and then for the hook, the horns come up an octave and then back down for the verse. But yeah, let's get into the drums. So yeah, I just brought it into a new FLP, and this is what the beat sounds like. So yeah, super bouncy, nice clean drum sounds. All the drum sounds I used are from the Drum Demon 2 demo kit from Producer Crate, prodby, and Stafford Beats. So yeah, let's just break these down real quick. So yeah, standard clap pattern. Basic. And then 808. This is the best Zay 808. So yeah, 808 pattern. Just following the root notes with a couple variations at the end of each 2 bars. Keep it interesting. And then just as the song plays out, just have some different variations of it with a couple extra rolls, but that's literally the only difference. And then at the end here as well. But yeah, that's it for the 808. Hi-hat, turbo hi-hat from Drum Demon. Just have it pan to the left a little bit. And this is one of the midis from the hi-hat kit. Forget which one it is, but it's just a simple 2-step with a couple rolls here and there. And then just have open hat. But yeah, as it plays on here, just added a kick just on the 1. Just for a little bit more impact on the 1 when it comes around, and then a second bounce snare. And then we'll roll at the end. And that's pretty much it for the drums, honestly. And then just this reverse crash at the end of each section. and this impact for the bridge. So yeah, and then just this riser going into it. But yeah, pretty simple drums, really simple melody, lots of space, good flow. But yeah, this is the final beat. So yeah, that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And let me know in the comments what kind of melodies, beats you want to see in the future, and I'll see if I can get that done. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Peace.